Have you ever wondered how body language can actually transform your presence in the boardroom? Well, get ready for an eye-opening insight today. Hi everyone, I'm your coach Shweta, and again today I'm here to tell you some important tips which will help you to improve your body language when it comes to public speaking. Specifically, to all the senior level executive out there, listen carefully. With a year of experience, what I have learned is how important it is to have a command over the room for leaving an everlasting impression in front of your audience, and how it can happen through your body language. So what are you waiting for? Let's just begin today. Tip number 1, posture is the key. Now imagine Martin Luther King when he is giving a speech, I have a dream. Who is there to listen to him? He has to stand tall to show his confidence and say, I have a dream. And that makes it a powerful speech. Number 2 is your eye contact. Your eye contact is really crucial. You have to maintain a special eye contact to gain the trust with your audience. When you do that, you engage with them. It's not like you have to stare at them. No. But what you can do is actually see to the surrounding. Number 3, which is very important, is your gesture with purpose. Many times I have seen people who are telling many things and adding many things, but they use very distractive body language. So just don't try to shake your hand a lot. Make it subtle, because that is something needed. Number 4 is your facial expression. Your face speaks a lot. You have to maintain a genuine smile on your face to show your enthusiasm. Be very mindful when it comes to facial expression, because your audience is watching you. They have eye every time on your face. So be very careful with that. Number 5, which is a very important tip, is slow down and breathe. When we speak, we always become nervous, and when you are nervous, it becomes really difficult for you to move your body in an appropriate way. So let the body move slowly, breathe slowly, so that people are able to understand each and every gesture very clearly. Number 6 is use a body language which has to sync with your words. I have seen people like, I have a very big dream. Is this a big dream? Of course not. I have a very big dream. So your word and your body should always be into sync. Last but not the least, practice. This is the only way you can improve your body language. The more you practice, the more you understand what kind of the body movement you have to introduce in your speech, and which will work effectively to make an everlasting impression in front of your audience. Remember, body language can actually break or make your public speaking engagements. So by implementing all the tips I have told you today, you can actually appear more confident and more effective when it comes to convey your thoughts to your audience. It's a time to say bye. But I hope all these tips will definitely going to help you in your upcoming presentation. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who is looking to learn about body language.